Fresh and tasty. Fresh and tasty yung niluto natin na kwitiao ngayon guys. Chinese noodles yan guys. Yan. Kwitiao. And guys yung sangkap nito guys nilagyan ko ng taugi. Yung noodles na puti. Tapos yung ingredients yan guys, fried egg. Tapos yung nilagyan kaunting baka. At saka hindi malimutan yung guys, yung garnish niya. Onion, spring onions. Kanami agad, gayon. See you guys sa kainan.